Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome along to the final English session for Monday this school year. Your learning target today is to create a thoughtful front cover to depict the memorable moments of Kenzuki's Kingdom. Now, what you can see on the screen right now is the traditional picture for Kenzuki's Kingdom on the left-hand side. Obviously, it's the yacht, the Peggy Sue, with a big old wave in the background trying to knock the boat over. Now, for those of you that might be familiar with the picture on the right-hand side, I'm thinking more 5A, you might remember studying this particular artist called Hokusai earlier in the academic year. Some of you had amazing pictures of this called The Wave that we put up on the stairway all the way up to the Year 5 corridor. The traditional cover for Kenzuki's Kingdom actually did encompass this design. Now, Hokusai was an actual Japanese artist, and he lived, I think it was around the 19th century, so maybe 150 or so years ago. You might be able to see, I can't zoom in here, but you might be able to notice in the background there is a mountain, Mount Fuji, I would imagine, a very famous mountain in Japan, very famous front cover of Kenzuki's Kingdom. So, you've done this sort of thing before, haven't you? You've designed the front cover for many, many books. So what we want you to do today is to create a really, really cool front cover for a book. And as it says there, we should never judge a book by its cover, but we all kind of do, let's face it, don't we? So your front covers need to be really, really amazing. And as usual, there's 3 different challenges that you can do. Have a look on the screen here to work out which level of challenge you want to create. Level 1, as it says down there, to present your work using the normal shape of a book, so rectangular, I guess, in size and shape, and showing the main characters on the front, and you mentioned the title and also the author's name. So probably something quite similar to what Michael Morpurgo has done here on the left-hand side. Now, level 2, you need to do level 1 plus this, not instead of level 1, but plus this as well. Try and show a happy event, try and show a sad event, try and show a thoughtful event, try and show an event to make the person picking up the book stop, think, and also wonder something as well. So that might be a selection or a few pictures on the front about the story. The big challenge, of course, is level 3. So what this looks like here is you creating some form of collage from every chapter of the book. So there's 10 chapters in total. What you might want to do is to chop up your page into 10 different sections and have some form of collage, a collection of pictures maybe or images about one for each individual chapter. That's hard. Plus also remembering to tick off level 2 and level 1 objectives as well. And if you really want to challenge yourself, try and use just 2 colours and maybe focus on shading. So what you can do if you wanted to is pick blue and green, but you could shade lightly, for example, for blue, and shade quite strongly for blue. So that will give you 2 different colours, wouldn't it? Light blue and dark blue. But then you might want to use medium blue. So that will give you 3 different colours. And you can do that with 2 of the colours to give your front covers a bit more variety. That's a big challenge. In particular, it will be good for those artists we know we have so well in Year 5. Okay, so this is one you might want to take a little bit of time over to really think about those very famous, memorable moments of Kenzuki's Kingdom that we can celebrate in the front covers today. Okay, very, very best of luck, boys and girls. Take care. Look forward to seeing what you do very soon. Bye.